Have you ever found yourself stuck trying to predict outcomes with your data, only to hit a frustrating error? If that's you, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into logistic regression and one-hot encoding to help you solve this issue. I totally understand how disheartening it can be when you're trying to build a model, and instead of results, you get an error message. You're not alone in this struggle. Many data enthusiasts face similar challenges. Let's look at the specific situation at hand. One user recently asked, "Why am I getting an error when trying to predict the status in my data frame?" They provided a snippet of their data and mentioned that they one-hot encoded some categorical variables. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what could be causing this error? The message "could not convert string to float" suggests that the model is trying to process a string value where it expects a numerical one. This often happens when categorical variables are not properly encoded. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid this error in the future and streamline your data preparation process. To address the error the user encountered, we first need to ensure that the target variable, which is the status, is properly encoded. Since the status is a string, we should convert it into a numerical format using label encoding. Next, the user should ensure that all categorical variables, including city and country, are also one-hot encoded. This will convert these string values into a format that can be used in the regression model. After encoding the variables, the user should split the data into training and testing sets. This is crucial for evaluating the model's performance accurately. Now, the user can create and fit the linear regression model. It's important to ensure that the model is trained on the correct features. Finally, the user should evaluate the model's performance using the test set. This will help determine how well the model predicts the status. Fun fact, did you know that logistic regression is one of the oldest statistical methods still in use today? It's been around since the 19th century, proving that some techniques stand the test of time. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggested by a user involves one-hot encoding all non-numeric columns using the label encoder. This method transforms categorical variables into numerical format, allowing for the use of a linear regression classifier. Let's move forward and look at another answer. An alternative approach suggested by another user is to utilize the scikit-learn contrib project called Category Encoders. This library offers a cleaner way to perform one-hot encoding and includes various methods for encoding categorical variables. Here's the tip I promised. Always check your data types before fitting a model. This simple step can save you from a world of errors and headaches. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the error and successfully predict the status in your data frame. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more data science tips and tricks.